Hey guys, it's Amanda. I am right now on the Greenway, heading to my first FTF, my first to find. It's been raining all day and it just stopped raining, so I figured I'd come out and try to find this cache real quick and hope it's not too muddy. Let's get the cache. Hello friends. Alright, I'm about 100 feet from the cache, but there's a lot of muggles walking their dogs, so have to be quiet and not suspicious. Okay, 74 feet. Oh, there goes the deer friends. Bye. So either this is trash or cache. I'm assuming it's trash. Ew, it's still full. Alright, here's my trash pile. There it is. Oh, my first to find. There it is. Alright, let's see what we've got. Cute. I actually really like this. This is really cute. Look, it's a penguin. I might put this on my Christmas tree. Alright, stay. And we also have a frog. And, of course, oh, look. It's a blank log sheet. It's blank. Hey! Alright, sign the log. Put that back. And I'm gonna add some swag. Toy car. Alright guys, so found my first FTF, and I also have a cache in this general area, so I'm gonna go do some cache maintenance. It's been found a few times, and when I placed it, I put a disposable camera in it, so I wanted to go see how many pictures I've been taking on the camera to see if I need to develop it yet or not. So I'm gonna go check on that. So ready? 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, now I'm heading up the path to the cache that I've hidden. I'm going to do some maintenance, check on it, see how it's doing. Haven't been back to look at it probably in about a month, so I'm going to check on it. I put a disposable camera in the cache a while ago, so hopefully people have taken pictures and thought that was cool. Check and see how many pictures are left, and I have another camera I can replace it with in case it's full. So, but before I go grab the cache, which is that way, just wanted to show you where this is. So, we're at the base, there's a gate, we're at the base of this wind turbine, so I thought it was a cool place to place this. Sorry I'm out of breath, I just trekked up that hill. Very nice. Still hidden very well. Alright, let's see what we have going on. Alright, so here's the container. Let's see what's going on. Alright, first thing I want to look at is how many pictures have been taken. Looks like not that many. There's still like 20 pictures left, so I'm going to leave that. Looks like someone left a Yu-Gi-Oh card. Alright, I think it looks really good. There's nothing out of the ordinary. There's a pen now in here, which I didn't put in there, so that's nice. Someone put a pen in there. It looks really good. Put everything back. I'm gonna add some more swag to it, just for fun. Alright, everything looks good. I'm happy with it. Just wanted to check on it since I haven't been here in a while, because I don't live in this area anymore. So the camera looks good, and everything's dry, so I'm happy about that. So let's put everything back. Alright y'all, so everything looks like it's in good shape. I'm glad that it's been doing well. Something that's really cool that I've been noticing on the log books, or the log page, is that there's actually a geocaching class here at my university, and the class came and found the cache, which was really cool to see. So that's really cool. Not only one, that there's a geocaching class, and two, that the class came and found my cache. That's a tongue twister, but everything looks good, and have a first to find, and my cache is in good shape. So thanks for watching. See you next week for next week's video, and later.